Good morning friends, I am here to explain about the topic of system and process manager, and my first topic is on system manager. System management is a mandatory for the successful implementation of data warehouse. The most important system managements are listed as System Configuration Manager, System Scheduling Manager, System Event Manager, System Database Manager, System Backup Recovery Manager. Now let's see about these in detail. System Configuration Manager. The System Configuration Manager is responsible for the management of the setup and configuration of data warehouse. The structure of Configuration Manager varies from one operating system to another, and then in Unix system structure of configuration, the manager varies from vendor to vendor, and then configuration manager have single user interface only. Then let me detailedly see about the topic System Scheduling Manager. System Scheduling Manager responsible for the successful implementation of data warehouse, and there is a purpose in which the schedule and hawk queries. Every operating system has own scheduler with some form of batch control mechanism. Those batch control mechanisms are as work across cluster or MPM boundaries, then deal with international time differences, then they could handle job failure and handle multiple queries in which they occur, then the support job priorities have been done. Then let me discuss about the topic System Scheduling Manager. Some of the important jobs and schedulers must be able to handle the following list. They are daily and ad hoc query scheduling, then the execution of regular report requirements, then the data load occurred in the System Scheduling Manager, then the index creation created in those time, and the backup recovery is very much important in System Scheduling Manager, and it is done by System Scheduling. Then the aggregation creation is the most essential thing in this. Then the data transformation. Data transformation requires the data from one particular place to another particular place without any change in the data. Then let me explain about the topic System Event Manager. The Event Manager is a kind of software. The Event Manager manages the event that is defined on the data warehouse system. Then we can't manage the data warehouse manually, because it is an ETL tool in which the ETL tool is performed and it is managed by the System Event Manager. Then let me discuss about the topic System Event Manager in detail. Events are the actions that are generated by the user or system itself in System Manager. Then some of the list of common events that are occurred by the tracked are hardware failure, running out of space on certain key disk, a process dying, a process returning an error, CPU usage existing, internal contention, and buffer cache hits ratio existing. Then let me discuss about the System and Database Manager. This System and Database Manager may be two separate pieces of software, but they do same job. Even though they are two different phases, they do the same job at the time, and their criteria follows by the System and Data Managers are increasing users quota, perform database space management, monitoring report on space usage, tidy up fragmented and unused space, add and expand the space, increase users vitality, assign and de-assign the profiles to the users. Then let me discuss about the last topic, which is very essential one, the System Backup Recovery Management. In every place, backup is an thing which helps in many ways. Then the backup recovery tends us to be a integrated thing. Then the backup recovery tools makes it easier for the operation and management staff to back up the data. Note that the System Backup Manager is integrated into a schedule manager is being used. The types of managers used in this backup recovery is scheduling, backup data, tracking, data awareness. Hope you enjoyed this session, and see you in the next video. Thank you.